Hey guys, and welcome to our 2015 Nissan Juke front bumper replacement video series. This is video 3 of the bumper install. We previously made the bumper removal video 1 and video 2 the bumper accessories install. So enjoy.
Alright, so what we're gonna go ahead and put on the bumper. We're gonna first clear this rebar. So if you're ever stuck, it's usually because of the rebar right here. Make sure the fog lights go in first. The headlight goes in first on each side. Just like that. Then we're actually gonna put on the we're gonna plug the fog lights back in. Okay. You hear it click. Go to the other side. Hear it click. Good. So you're gonna clip this back on too. So I like to push it one side first, like that. You move the fender accent piece out of the way. Then I like to look underneath to see if I'm hitting anything underneath. So like right here, I'm noticing right away like this bracket right here, I'm hitting that, and this thing needs to be underneath that, just like that. Alright, so everything's good underneath. So that makes sure that we don't have any alignment issues down here. And then we can go ahead and proceed to the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and push in this side, and then I'm gonna work my way over there. So the bumper needs to go underneath the headlight, just like so. There you go. Go ahead and push in that first. Go ahead and put in that screw. Hold this side up. Go to the other side. Push it back in the way you found it. Yeah. And then go ahead and put these push pin back in. One right there. And last one right up here. There you go. So this side is done. Same thing on this side. So make sure, I forgot to tell you guys on the other side, this part right here has to go in this hole. Make sure the fender line is actually back here. Alright, this side's back in too. On this particular vehicle, the customer didn't want to fix this, but he actually needed a new accent piece. This piece is just falling off. He needs a new one. This one's broken on this side. Go ahead and put the top push pins back in. So now we're going to go to the bottom and put this back on. Finally, we finished the bottom side, screwed that down. Go ahead and put on the tow cover. Alright, so on the license plate bracket, what I like to do is go ahead and line it up to wherever you want it. Get a permanent marker, make a hole, make a outline of the hole, and then get a drill bit, and then drill a little tiny hole. Alright, get your license plate bracket. Go right there. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2015 Nissan Juke front bumper. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to us. If you like this video also and it helps, go ahead and press that like button. Turn on that push notification for other videos that we do have. And all these parts that you do see here, you can purchase on our website at ReveMoto.com. The link is down below. We appreciate it. Thank you so much.